What can I do to remove the stickiness from my floors after mopping?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how to remove stickiness from your floors after mopping. Stickiness can be quite frustrating, but fear not, because I'm here to share some helpful tips and tricks to get your floors looking and feeling clean again.
Assess your cleaning solution.
The first step in tackling sticky floors is to assess the cleaning solution you're using. Sometimes, stickiness can be caused by residue left behind by certain cleaning products. Make sure to use a pH-neutral cleaner specifically designed for your type of flooring. Check the manufacturer's instructions or consult a professional to ensure you're using the right product.
Dilute the cleaning solution properly.
Using too much cleaning solution or not diluting it properly can also lead to sticky floors. Follow the manufacturer's instructions regarding the correct dilution ratio for your cleaning product. Using more than the recommended amount can leave a residue that causes stickiness. It's essential to strike the right balance to achieve optimal cleaning results.
Rinse thoroughly.
After mopping your floors, it's crucial to thoroughly rinse them to remove any remaining cleaning solution or residue. Residue left behind can attract dirt and debris, leading to stickiness. Use clean water and a mop or cloth to rinse the floors, ensuring you remove all traces of the cleaning solution.
Consider vinegar solution.
If your floors are still sticky after rinsing, you can try using a vinegar solution as a natural remedy. Mix equal parts of water and white vinegar to create a gentle and effective cleaning solution. Vinegar is known for its ability to break down residues and remove stickiness. Test the solution in a small, inconspicuous area first to ensure it doesn't cause any discoloration or damage to your flooring.
Spot cleaning with isopropyl alcohol.
For particularly stubborn sticky spots, you can use isopropyl alcohol to spot clean. Dampen a cloth or sponge with isopropyl alcohol and gently rub the sticky area. This can help dissolve and remove the stickiness effectively. Be cautious and test it in a small area first to ensure it doesn't cause any damage or discoloration.
Dry the floors properly.
After cleaning and rinsing, it's important to thoroughly dry your floors. Moisture left behind can create a sticky surface. Use a clean, dry mop or towel to remove any excess water. You can also open windows or use fans to aid in the drying process. Ensure the floors are completely dry before allowing foot traffic. And there you have it. By following these tips, you should be able to remove stickiness from your floors after mopping. Remember to assess your cleaning solution, dilute it properly, rinse thoroughly, consider vinegar solution or isopropyl alcohol for spot cleaning, and dry your floors thoroughly. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Stay clean and have a great day.